Hi, today we are going to show you how to create Chinese characters that are written in calligraphy style into TinkerCAD. With the models made in TinkerCAD, you can then easily 3D print or laser cut to fabricate these parts. First, with the specific Chinese characters decided, we shall head over to the Chinese font generator. There are many types of generators around, which can be found by simply Googling. However, you can choose to follow what I am using here. Paste in the Chinese characters and choose the font type, and get your calligraphy. Now we will want to save this as an image PNG file. Next, we need a converter to get the image file converted into a SVG file. A simple Google search will provide you with a variety of options for converters. We load the PNG file here. Click on Convert and give it a few seconds. Download the SVG file, and we are ready to head over to the TinkerCAD workspace. Now I will import the SVG file. Make sure it's within the scale limit. And here we go. We have the 3D model in the TinkerCAD workspace. What we want to do now is to modify the model and get them ready for printing. For my personal preference, I would separate the characters so that I am able to generate 3 individual STL files for 3D printing. This allows me the flexibility to optimize the printing process, and also I can easily print or reprint a single character if there is any minor flaw or defect on one of them. One more thing I am doing here is to ensure that each character is printed in a single piece. However, do note that this step is unnecessary, and it's just a personal preference. Almost there. We adjust the sizes. And finally, we are ready to export these models as STL files for 3D printing. So here I have imported the STL files into the Prusa slicer. Our last step here is to set up the print parameters, slice the models and generate the G-code file to start the printing process. We have now come to the end of this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. See you again.